Hi everyone, welcome to the course where we will be learning how we can create a JSON-RPC add-on for QuickNode Marketplace. By the end of this course, you will be able to create your own add-on and publish it on QuickNode Marketplace. What we will see in the course is an example add-on where you can fetch a block using its timestamp. So in this course, we will take you step by step through the process of creating and publishing your add-on. But before all of that, we will have to understand what QuickNode Marketplace actually is, right? So that's what the first chapter covers. In first chapter, we will learn what QuickNode Marketplace is in the introduction to QuickNode Marketplace chapter. In the second chapter, we will understand the approval and core requirements process, where we will understand what's the approval process to get into QuickNode Marketplace or get a developer account on QuickNode Marketplace. Then we will understand how add-on workflow should look like, and we will understand what the developer environment should look like, how to set up that in the third chapter. In the fourth chapter, we will understand the core functionality of our add-on, how you should create your core functionality for your add-on, or what things you should keep in mind. In the fifth chapter or lesson, we will understand how you can test your add-on locally before deploying it on cloud or in production. And once that's done and everything works fine, we will move on to next chapter where we will actually deploy our add-on on cloud, and we will also handle continuous integration or CI with GitHub Actions. And after that, we will understand how we can create a dashboard to keep track of our add-on activities or activities around our add-on, like installs, number of endpoints using it, etc. Then we will understand about REST and external add-ons in chapter number 8 or lesson number 8. In this course, we are not going through or creating a REST or external add-on, but it's still very important to learn what those add-ons are and how you can create those add-ons. After that, we will be learning how you can actually submit your add-on to the QuickNode Marketplace in chapter number 9 or lesson number 9, how to add your details around your add-on, how to add billing details, etc. And finally, in lesson number 10, we will understand what's the process looks like or what things you should keep in mind once your add-on is finally approved and published on the QuickNode Marketplace. Now, the thing is that you might think that why you should develop on QuickNode Marketplace or build on top of QuickNode Marketplace. So the first and foremost reason is giving your tools access to hundreds of thousands of users which QuickNode has. So you get instant access to 500k plus users on the QuickNode platform. You get continuous support and guidance from the QuickNode Marketplace team. There are a lot of starter templates which you can use to get started on your QuickNode Marketplace add-on journey quickly. And of course, there's flexible monetary and payment options. So it's basically like creating an app for an app store or play store. So hope you will learn a lot from this course, and we will be waiting to see your add-ons getting published on the QuickNode Marketplace. Until next time, see ya.